Bright and sunny 4 bedrooms 2 baths home with nearly 2,000 square feet of living space on a large fenced corner lot. 2-story floor plan features 2 bedrooms 1 full bath on upper level and 2 bedrooms 1 full bath downstairs. Upper level has an office room, can be used as 3rd bedroom, laundry room behind kitchen. Downstairs double-deck wash dryer in bathroom. Laminate floor throughout, updated and open kitchen with granite countertop, dual-pane windows, updated bathrooms, large backyard with fruit trees and vegetable garden. Newly replaced foundation. 4 off-street parking spaces. Specious setup of the property allows the owner to live upper level and rent out the downstairs for extra income to help mortgage and property tax. Short drive to Olinda Elementary and easy access to Highway 24 and I-80. Take full advantage of many nearby amenities including Wildcat Canyon Regional Park.